Sup, dog? This is E-Sizzle. This is my homegirl, K-Dog in his house, and we got a little something for you. Let's do this. Drop a beat.
I remember tears streaming down your face when I said I'll never let you go.
Let you go.
When all the shadows killed your light, I remember you said, don't leave me here alone. But all that's dead and gone and past now. Walk, 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 walk. Just close your eyes. Down. You'll be alright.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
No one can hurt you now. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound. Don't you dare look out your window, darling. Everything's on fire. The war outside our door keeps raging. Hold on to this lullaby.
What?
Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright. No one can hurt you now.
No one.
Night. You and I'll be safe.
What? Safe and what? Safe and what?
Safe and sound. Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. Now.
Come morning light. What happens at morning light? What happens at morning light? What
You and I. Safe and sound.
Yeah, we will. Oh.